We'd like to welcome you all on board once again. You're aboard United Airlines Flight 229 with service to San Diego. We ask that you please at this time give us a few minutes of your attention while we show you a video demonstration that does highlight the safety features on this Boeing 757 aircraft. Thank you.
When you think airline jobs, you probably think pilots, flight attendants, or mechanics. Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. But at United, that's just the beginning. From storytellers to fuel tank divers to the guy who knows everything about airline seats, I'll be learning about some of the jobs at United that just might surprise you. We're going in there?
Yes, we're going in there.
Okay. All of the next episode, Big Middle Bird. You go first.
No, you go first.
All right.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
To have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. Boeing 757 is equipped with 6 exit doors, 3 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. You will also find an additional life raft located in an overhead bin at the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 10 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
Wow, that must be some movie.
Yeah, I heard The Best Friend's hilarious.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you are unable or uncomfortable performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask and extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, put the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
If you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. To open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the button in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, e-cigarettes, and smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instruction. Make sure you switch all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world, and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
Catch United in Spider-Man Far From Home.
We thank you very much for your attention, my flight partners, and I will now be making our final safety checks before we take off. Now, if you have any questions regarding safety, please ask us at this time. Please remember, if an emergency evacuation does become necessary, leave all of your belongings behind and do not inflate your life vests until we have exited the aircraft. Thank you.
Flight attendants, please proceed for departure.